everyone, welcome to Navneet Spice Magic. Today I am going to share one of my favorite dish which I tasted during my stay in US, Chipotle Burrito Bowl. It is a Mexican dish loaded with rice, veggies, beans, guacamole, corn salsa, etc. It tastes so yummy. I miss this so much. So I tried preparing at home. Whenever I prepare this, I remember my days in US. So let's check the process. The key ingredient for this dish is the taco seasoning. You can get it in the store or else you can prepare it at home if you have these ingredients. So for that you need 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika for color, 1.5 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. So we have to mix all this and the taco seasoning will be ready. First we need to prepare a rice for that. I'm taking cooked rice, coriander, lemon juice, salt to taste, pepper powder. First we need to take little coriander, maybe around 2 spoons. Add little salt to this. Add little pepper powder and lemon juice, around 2 teaspoons. We'll mix this properly. Now this is ready. We'll keep this aside. So this is our second preparation. We need red kidney beans. I have boiled and kept ready. Lemon juice a little. Taco seasoning which I have showed you. Salt to taste. We need to add taco seasoning. Salt. Lemon juice a little bit. Mix this and keep this ready. Our next preparation is corn salsa. So the ingredients required are: you need coriander, boiled corn, onions finely chopped, tomato I removed seeds and chopped it finely, lemon juice, salt to taste. I have taken green chili paste. Usually they take green chilies chopped, but my green chilies are very spicy, so I have taken chili paste. You can take even chopped green chilies. We need to take a bowl. We'll add this boiled corn, tomato chopped, onions chopped, coriander a little bit, green chili paste, salt to taste, lemon juice a little bit. We have to just mix this all. Now this is ready. We'll keep this also aside. The next item that has to be prepared is guacamole. You need avocado for that, lemon juice, coriander chopped, salt to taste, pepper powder. Now we need to remove this avocado from this. With the help of a fork, we need to mash this. Now we need to add pepper powder, salt, little lemon juice, little coriander. Mix it. Now our guacamole is ready. We'll keep this also aside. Now our next preparation is veggies. We have to saute these veggies on the pan. So I am taking onions sliced. I have taken yellow bell peppers. You can take even red or green. It is up to you. But I have taken yellow because I have yellow at home. Lemon juice. Coriander chopped. Taco seasoning. Salt to taste. We have to heat a pan. Add little olive oil. We'll add onions, capsicum, saute these a little bit. Now we'll add coriander, taco seasoning, salt to taste, little lemon juice. These veggies should not be cooked completely. They have to retain the crunch in them. They just have to lose that rawness. That's it. And this is ready. Now that our ingredients are ready, we need to arrange the plate. This is chili sauce. If you are interested in having more chili, then you can add this sauce. This is sour cream. Guacamole, what we prepared. Cheese, this is optional. The rice, which we prepared. Sauteed veggies. Red kidney beans. Corn salsa. Let's arrange the plate now. Now we have to add rice to this. The rice, how much you want. You can take that much rice. Now we'll add the veggies. Now we'll add the beans. Now we'll add corn salsa. Now we'll add guacamole. Sour cream, with chili sauce, little cheese. To enhance the taste, nachos are the add-ons to it. Here is our yummy and tasty Chipotle style burrito bowl ready to eat. It looks so colorful, yummy, right? The best meal I have ever tasted in US. Hope you liked my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.